Some days we can be bombarded by tools. A couple that my husband knows, like you'll introduce yourself, they'll ask me, what do you do? Their jaw drops. They're like, wow, I would have never thought that. It makes me feel good, because I don't know what they expect I do. I am the only woman in the department. My name is Cindy Mesko. I am a tool repair mechanic. I fit in, and it's a good team. We repair anything that the linemen use out in the field. We have a lot of hydraulics, battery operated, and gasoline powered machines. I wanted a challenge, and I wanted to prove to myself that, hey, I can do this. It's like a puzzle. You tear into it and you see if it can work. It can be easy. It can be greasy. It can be a mess. And it is not glorious or, glamorous at all. But I enjoy it. Don't hold yourself back because you don't know your potential. You'll be amazed at what you can do. Who taught me those things? My mom. My mom taught me not to hold myself back. My mom pushed me to get out there and do it. She said, if you're going to learn how to drive this car or my car, you're going to have to take care of it. And she took the wheels off. She made me change the oil. I'm like, are you serious? But you know what? It made me who I am. So yeah, I'm like, hey, I can do that. I feel like part of the team.